This is the first video on my channel. That's why you have to support and encourage me. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let it begin. A widespread clip, and when many people saw this clip, they literally became frightened. A person was sitting in his house, and suddenly he received a notification on his mobile phone from the doorbell's surveillance camera that there was a person standing in front of the door of the house. When he opened the surveillance camera, he saw the scene that terrified many people. This video was recorded at 5 a.m. and shows 3 individuals in front of a house, armed and wearing creepy masks. When one of them noticed the door camera, he immediately covered it with his hand. Throughout the video, all we could see was his glove. However, at one moment, he removed his hand from the camera and the 3 became clearly visible. The homeowner was awakened from his sleep when he received a notification on his phone that the camera had detected movement outside his house. When he opened his phone to check, he saw nothing but one of their hands. He then opened the microphone and tried to communicate with them, but no one responded. He immediately called the police, but by the time they arrived, the 3 had already fled. No one knows what they were planning to do upon opening the door. This video, captured by the house doorbell camera, shows a person wearing a clown costume and holding balloons approaching the door in a creepy manner, giving a strange and frightening look, then leaving. Although creepy clowns are not uncommon in America, this video has greatly disturbed me. No one knows if the intention was to scare people or if there was a more sinister motive.